Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Anpac Bio Medical, and we have seen that the stock has been jumped up with heavy volumes. So what we are going to discuss here is the daily chart of this particular stock and how the stock has moved in the recent past, or what should be the areas that we are going to look, or probably the way the stock is going to move in the days as well as in the weeks to come. So first of all, we don't have much information about this stock, so that's why here we are using daily chart. Now, as you can see here, that the stock, so just have a look at it, that the stock has jumped up with a huge gap up. Okay, so here you can see the way the stock has jumped up, and this is the level. Okay, so first of all, we are going to use the reference point that we have already seen in the trends for this stock in the previous fast, or the current reference point, which is support or resistance zone, which the stock has made in the recent past. Okay, now having said that, what you can see here, that the stock has seen a low of 3.27. Okay, and by the way, this is the final low beyond which or below which the one should not carry any for positions, right? So as you can see here, 3 in between 3.20 and 3.27 will be your support zone. So if the stock falls below 3.20, and if you want to consider $3, that's also fine, but one should not carry any positions below $3. Now having said that, as you can see, the entire area is a gap up zone. So stock does have a tendency that it will retest its gap, whether on the upside or on the downside. And the biggest problem is, if the rally does not sustain, then obviously the stock tend to fall back, and in that sense the stock may retest its gap. Okay, so what I'm saying is, it may fall down if it unable to sustain. So for that, what you need to do, as you can see, the stock has been trading in this current range. So on the lower side we have 6.47, and on the upper side we have 8.44. Okay, so inside this range the stock is currently trading. Now if the stock falls below 6.4447, then obviously the next support will come at 5.05, followed by 4.32, and then we have 3.27 and 3.20. So let's make sure that you will place your stop loss at 6.47, because if the stock falls below 6.47, you will have a sharp fallback, which leads the stock towards $5 on the downside. Now on the upside, okay, as on the upside, if the stock makes a breakout above 8.44, then we are going to look at $9, followed by, on the upside you have $10.7 on the upside. So these are the range current ranges where we are going to focus. We are not going to go beyond $10 or $11 on the upside, and on the downside, as I've already told you, 3.2, 3.27. Now those who are looking for short things, what you can do, just focus on this highlighted section. So as I told you, for the stock, the current support is 6.47, the resistance is 8.44, and the stock is trading in between that zone. Okay, so unless the stock touch the resistance or reaches towards the support zone, do not take any position. So let the stock decide whether it want to go up or it want to go down. If it want to go up, obviously you will be in profit. If it wants to go down, then wait for the support level to break. And most importantly, you should decide how much risk you want to take, because everybody has their own setup. Some people come with time limitations, so that may or may not work. And most importantly, as I've already told you, that if the rally unable to sustain. That's also a thing. So although this is a positive setup because the stock jumps up with the gap, so we are going to look towards $10 on the upside, but as you can see there are lots of levels on the downside as well, and we don't know if the volatility increases, it may work on both the sides. So make sure that you are placing your stop loss at appropriate level and following it with a very disciplined manner. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.